Welcome to my lecture, and today's lecture we are going to discuss one tricky Olympiad math problem, and we will discuss how to solve this problem. Find the prime factorizations of a multiply b if a factorial b factorial is equal 10 factorial. So to find the prime factorization of a multiply b, first we will try to find a and b. So start with the trivial combinations of a and b. So recall, we know that 0 factorial is equal 1, 1 factorial is equal 1. So therefore, the trivial combination are 0 and 10, or alternate the position, it may be 10, 0 or 0 and 10. So in this case, a multiply b is 0. So therefore, we don't have the prime factorization. Now take the second one is 1 and 10 or 10 and 1. So in this case, we have AB is equal 10. So therefore, the prime factorization of 10 is 5 multiply. Now we'll take a non-trivial combination. So for that, we first extend the factorial 10 as given here. It is by definition of the factorials, and in this factorial expression we have 7 is the highest prime factor. So therefore, in this term, in this expression, there should be factorial 7. So either a or b will be 7. Now we need to find the other factor. So for that, we just separate the factorial 7, required terms for the factorial 7, and then remaining part is 10 multiply 9 multiply 8. So now we factorize further this 3 number. So 10 is factorized 5 multiply 2, 9 is factorized 3 multiply 3, and 8 is factorized 4 multiply. So therefore, the factorial 10 can be rewritten like this. So now from this, we have to define the factors. So now we combine these factors, and we can easily get this is factorial 5. And remaining terms 2 and 3 multiplication will give us 6. Now factorial 5 multiply 6. So this combine will give us 6 factorial. So therefore, we have 10 factorial is equal 6 factorial multiply 7 factorial. So therefore, the combination A and B is 6 and 7 or 7 and. So we have 6, 7, the combination, or alternate the position in 7, 6. Now the product for these two terms is 7 multiply 6. Prime factorizations, it can be written as 7 multiply 3 multiply